Objective type questions. Question 1. In web services, the communication takes place between two electronic devices, two human beings, two spiders. None of the above. Answer. Two electronic devices. Reason. Web services are the software-based services that take place when two electronic devices connected via network communicate over www's HTTP. Question 2. An email can be sent via PC, tablet, smartphone. All the above. Answer. All the above. Reason. An email can be sent via PC, tablet or smartphone. Question 3. In an email address, the characters following character represent username, email recipient, domain name. None of these. Answer. Domain name. Reason. In an email address, the characters following character represent the domain name for the host server. Question 4. In the email address, hide@edupillar.com, what is the domain name? The whole email address. com. edupillar.com. Hide. Answer. edupillar.com. Reason. In an email address, the characters following character represent the domain name for the host server. Question 5. Field of email compose box allows to send same message to multiple recipients without getting them know about other recipients. CC. 2. BCC. Message. Answer. BCC. Reason. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. BCC field of email compose box allows to send same message to multiple recipients without letting them know about other recipients. Question 6. Which of the following is not a legal domain in context of web address? Edu, com, TV, work. Answer. Work. Reason. Edu, com and TV are legal domain names of web addresses and they represent educational firms, commercial firms and television channels respectively. Question 7. Chatting on internet is talking face to face, talking on phone, online textual talk. None of these. Answer. Online textual talk. Reason. Online textual talk is called chatting. Question 8. Chat rooms are actual rooms where chat session takes place. Answer. False. Reason. Chat rooms are not actual rooms but websites or a part of some online services that provide an online venue for communities of users with a common interest to communicate in real time. Question 9. To participate in a chat, you must be logged in the same site and communicate live with others by typing words on your computer. TF. Answer. True. Reason. To participate in a chat, you must be logged in the same site and communicate live with others by typing words on your computer. Question 10. A. Room or online forum allows users to communicate through typed messages which are displayed almost instantly. Mail, buddy, chat, message. Answer. Chat. Reason. A chat room or online forum allows users to communicate through typed messages which are displayed almost instantly. Question 11. Online textual talk is called video conferencing, telephony, text phone, chat. Answer. Chat. Reason. Online textual talk is called chatting. Question 12. Electronic mail cannot be used for sending documents, sending bulk data, say over 2 gigabytes, sending attachments, sending messages. Answer. Sending bulk data, say over 2 gigabytes. Reason. Email can be used to send documents, attachments and messages. There are limitations on attachment size imposed by email providers. Question 13. A two-way video phone conversation among multiple participants is called video chatting, video talking, video conferencing, video watching. Answer. Video conferencing. Reason. A two-way video phone conversation among multiple participants is called video conferencing. Question 14. Which of the following is not a feature, service of the web? Email, telnet, CPU, chat. Answer. CPU. Reason. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is a part of computer and not a feature, service of the web. Email, chat and telnet are feature, service of the web. Question 15. You can use email to send messages but not files across internet. TF. Answer. False. Reason, emails can be used to send messages as well as files of a limited size. Question 16. Pick the odd one out. Amazon, eBay, Twitter, Naptol. Answer. Twitter. Reason, while Amazon, eBay and Naptol are all e-commerce platforms or online marketplaces, Twitter is a social media platform primarily focused on microblogging and social networking. Question 17. The benefit of e-learning is: classwork can be scheduled around work and family. Reduces travel time and travel costs for off-campus students. Students can study anywhere they have access to a computer and internet connection. All the above. Answer. All the above. Reason, e-learning reduces travel time and travel costs for off-campus students, allows remote learning facilities and scheduling of class work around work and family. Question 18. Fill in the blanks. A. Is a set of rules that are needed for communication. Enables the actual sending and receiving of messages. The symbol, @ is pronounced as. And this remains same in every email address. Answer. A protocol is a set of rules that are needed for communication. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, enables the actual sending and receiving of messages. The symbol, @ is pronounced as at the rate or at, and this remains same in every email address. Question 19. Out of the following, which one is the most used feature of Internet? Email, FTP, Telnet, Usenet. Answer. Email. Reason, email is the most used feature of Internet as it is publicly used for sending messages. Question 20. A reservation is a process of making reservations of tickets, hotel rooms, tourist packages. All of these. Answer. All of these. Reason, a reservation is a process of making reservations of tickets, hotel rooms and tourist packages. Question 21. Buying goods by placing orders online is called e-commerce, e-shopping, e-buying. All the above. Answer. E-shopping. Reason, e-shopping means buying goods by placing orders online. Question 22. Which of the following is the major reason cited for e-shopping's popularity? Unique offers, price, impulse, convenience. Answer. Convenience. Reason, convenience is the major reason cited for e-shopping's popularity. Question 23. Which of the following are immensely popular services of Internet? E-commerce, blogs, social networking, e-shopping. Answer. Social networking. Reason, social networking is a popular service of the Internet. Question 24. Which of the following are examples of e-governance? Applying for passport online, sending email to your school friend, buying books online, inquiring about the status of Aadhaar application. Answer. Applying for passport online and inquiring about the status of Aadhaar application. Reason, e-governance refers to the application of electronic means in governance. Since applying for passport and inquiring about the status of Aadhaar involves using online services provided by the government, they are examples of e-governance.